Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed a horrible grinding noise coming from the blades of your TM31, you're not alone. This issue often arises from worn or damaged components, and if left unchecked, it can lead to more serious damage, ultimately affecting the performance of your beloved kitchen assistant. So, let's get started on fixing it. For this repair, you'll need a set of screwdrivers, a pair of pliers, a replacement blade set, and a soft cloth to keep everything clean. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to prevent any accidents. Carefully turn the device upside down and locate the screws on the base. Using your screwdriver, gently remove these screws. Take your time with this step, as applying too much force can strip the screws. Once the screws are out, lift the base off carefully, making sure not to damage any of the wiring. Now that we have access to the interior, the grinding noise usually originates from the blades. Locate the motor shaft connected to the blades. This is where the fault typically lies. You might find that the blades are loose or that the motor is malfunctioning. To remove the blades, use your pliers to grip the motor shaft while you unscrew the blades from the top. Be cautious here, as you don't want to damage nearby components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the blades are out, take a moment to inspect them for any visible damage. If they appear worn, it's time to replace them with your new set. Simply align the new blades with the motor shaft and screw them in place securely. Make sure they are tight but not over-tightened, as this can cause further issues. Now, before we put everything back together, double-check all connections and ensure there are no loose cables that could interfere with the operation. Carefully replace the base of the Thermomix, aligning it with the screw holes. Replace the screws in their original positions, ensuring they are secure, but again, be mindful not to over-tighten. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you completed these steps without any issues, congratulations! You've successfully resolved the grinding noise. To prevent this problem from recurring, regularly check your blades for wear and tear, and consider running a cleaning cycle after heavy use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.